A top human rights lawyer has warned that a private member's bill on so-called conversion therapy poses a threat to fundamental freedoms. Baroness Burt's bill would impose unlimited fines for those deemed to offer any practice that assumes any sexual orientation or gender identity is inherently preferable to another, and aims to change or suppress them. But in a legal opinion for the Christian Institute, Jason Koppel KC said the bill would apply across the whole range of life, including in religious settings, social settings, and in the home, even where the person in question consents. This, he said, would restrict the ability of religious organisations to express their beliefs and the ability of parents to counsel and bring up children in the way they believe to be right. It is very difficult to see how the wide-ranging interference with fundamental rights contemplated by the bill could be justified. It came as another private member's bill on conversion therapy was tabled in the Commons, and a debate on the issue took place in Westminster Hall. Labour MP Christian Wakeford called for lawmakers to press ahead with a no loopholes ban without further debate, but several MPs raised concerns on behalf of parents, churches and gender-confused children.
This bill is today's modern conversion therapy scandal, and it's affecting vulnerable children and young people who may be gender non-conforming or are struggling with normal yet distressing pubertal body dysmorphia. This bill would embed the lie that these young people have been born in the wrong body.
What's often called conversion therapy by those campaigning for a ban is in fact legitimate protection of the time and space for a child to reconsider the conviction that they've been born in the wrong body and stop them from going down a pathway of hormones and surgery which sterilises them and can leave them with no adult sexual function.
Could we in conscience really want to make consensual, quiet conversations illegal? No one in this chamber, no one who contributed to this debate wants cruel, inhumane, spiteful interventions in those particular, very different lives. But we can't surely ban the freedom to speak, the freedom to put our case, the freedom to converse.
Children and youth may be affected in significant ways through a conversion therapy ban, as currently described. Such a ban could lead to limitations on the ability of children and youth to maintain informal or formal religious groups, such as prayer groups, used to promote spirituality and repentance in the Christian context.
For more great content, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.